All eyes on the world's top golfer, Scottie Scheffler, today. In just the next couple of hours, we could learn new details in his case. Prosecutors scheduling a last-minute hearing to address all allegations against the pro golfer after his arrest nearly 2 weeks ago. Scheffler has been accused of a laundry list of things, including hitting an officer with a car. Our Kelsey Kernstein joins us now live in Louisville, Kentucky. Kelsey, you have been digging into these court proceedings. What can we expect today?
Yeah, hey there, Anna. So it's just really not clear what we can expect today in this hearing. But, you know, there's a lot of rumors swirling about. You got people saying the prosecution is going to come forward today, and they're basically going to drop these charges against Scottie Scheffler. But, of course, that remains to be seen. We cannot confirm nor deny if that is what is going to happen. But what we can tell you is that the prosecution and defense, they have agreed that Scheffler does not need to be in today's hearing. Scheffler's attorney will be present on his behalf. His attorney has made it abundantly clear that he will not settle this case, and he will take this to trial if that is what needs to happen. As of right now, Scheffler, though, he is scheduled to be arraigned on June 3rd. This comes after the top-ranked golfer in the world was arrested just outside of the Valhalla Golf Club during the PGA Championship. The incident occurred in the early morning hours of May 17th when officers blocked the road after a deadly accident. Scheffler, we know, has been accused of ignoring Detective Brian Gillis's order, who was at the time directing the traffic. Now, there's also been accusations at pro golfer that he allegedly dragged Gillis with his SUV. However, Gillis did not have his body cam on him, and the only video right now comes from a pole camera and an officer's dash cam. It only shows the officer approaching Scheffler's vehicle, which appears to be moving slowly. Now, Scheffler has maintained his innocence. He's also said that this is one big misunderstanding. What's also really interesting to point out today, Anna, is that Scheffler's attorney plans to hold a news conference at 1:30 Eastern time right after this court hearing. And I'm going to be here for the court hearing. I'll be here for the news conference, breaking down the latest updates that we get. Anna?
It was just such a shock, wasn't it? I mean, he's known as such a gentleman and being quietly spoken and everything. Thank you so much.
Loves God, yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.